Animals like deer, rabbits, and raccoons are as persistent as they are cute. But there are some simple ways to keep your vegetables fresh and your garden rodent-free. Follow these quick tips and get back to appreciating the value of your garden fresh vegetables. Building a 1.5 to 2 foot high chicken wire fence will deter most woodland critters. Like any thief, if they think something will take too long to steal, they'll move on. For best results, bury the fencing about 6 inches into the ground when making a perimeter. A rabbit's first idea will be to dig under it. Another option is something called counterplanting. For gardens with corn, surround the stalks with squash and cucumbers. Raccoons hate those things, and they won't bother with the corn. Plant onions, catnip, marigolds, or lavender around the outside of your garden. These are all things that rabbits won't eat, and they won't investigate the rest of the garden. Other things sprinkled into the garden, like coffee grounds, bacon grease, and cayenne pepper, smell like danger to rodents. And these things biodegrade, and they make a great natural fertilizer. Most True Value hardware stores also carry organic animal repellents, available in liquid and granule forms. That's it. Need more expert advice? Stop by your local True Value hardware store and ask a hardwarian. Behind every project is a True Value.